Introducing the Xiaomi 14 Ultra, the pinnacle of smartphone innovation, where cutting-edge design meets uncompromising performance. This is the phone that challenges limits and redefines excellence. Design and build quality. The Xiaomi 14 Ultra boasts a premium design with a ceramic unibody and aerospace-grade aluminum frame. At just 9.1 mm thin, it feels robust, yet luxurious. And yes, it's IP68 water and dust resistant, ensuring durability in any environment. Display technology. Prepare to be amazed by the 6.8-inch LTPO AMOLED display. With 2K resolution, a 120 Hz refresh rate, and Dolby Vision support, this screen delivers stunning clarity, vibrant colors, and silky smooth interactions. Whether you're gaming or streaming, it's a visual feast. Performance and software. Under the hood, the Xiaomi 14 Ultra is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, paired with up to 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 1 TB of UFS 4.0 storage. Running MIUI 15 based on Android 14, it delivers lightning-fast performance, smooth multitasking, and an intuitive user experience. Camera capabilities. The centerpiece of the Xiaomi 14 Ultra is its quad camera system, co-engineered with Leica, featuring a massive 1-inch 50MP main sensor, periscope telephoto, ultra-wide, and TOF sensors. It's built for professionals and enthusiasts alike. From crisp low-light shots to stunning 5x zoom portraits, it's all about precision and detail. Battery and charging. Battery life, outstanding. The 5000 mAh battery lasts all day and then some. And with 120W wired and 50W wireless charging, you can go from 0 to 100% in just 19 minutes. Never miss a moment. Conclusion. The Xiaomi 14 Ultra isn't just a smartphone, it's a masterpiece of engineering, perfect for creators, gamers, and everyday users who demand the best. Ready to take your tech game to the next level? The Xiaomi 14 Ultra is here to lead the way. Drop a comment below and don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed the video. And of course, subscribe to Fonova for more tech reviews and updates. See you next time.